Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Subject Computer Science. Students, today we are going to start our third term, unit number 6, Electronic Mail. In this unit, you will be able to learn about emails, ISPs, email accounts, email address, username, passwords, the parts of an email message that contain to, subject, CC and attached files. You will also able to learn about how to compose an email, attach a file to the email, send the email and use the following folders: inbox, sent, trash. You will also able to check an email, reply an email and how to sign out from an email account. Let me give you the short introduction of email. Email is the short form for electronic mail. Nowadays, it is the fastest, easiest and cheapest source to send and receive messages. It is just like a letter that is sent via the internet to the recipient. An email address is required to receive email and that address is unique to the user. In this unit, students will learn the meaning of email and all the basic information relating email like email account, email address, username, password, etc. In 1971, a US programmer, Ray Tomlinson, implemented an email system on the ARPANET. The ARPANET was the first wide area network WAN. This is the picture of the inventor of email, Tomlinson. Our first topic is 6.1, Introduction to Email. Few years ago, we used to receive and send letters, greeting cards and invitations by post. This type of mail is known as traditional or snail mail because it takes average 2 to 3 days to receive mail. Student, snail mail is slang for a traditional paper mail sent by a postal service. The term snail mail is used because it can take days to receive a traditional mail message. Nowadays, another type of mail is being used successfully, that is called email. Email is a short form for electronic mail. Photos, documents and other files can be attached to an email so that more information can be shared. Email is one of the fundamental internet technologies, a tool used by nearly every person with an internet connection. It allows you at no cost send a letter of unlimited length to one person or many people at once. It arrives almost instantly and they can reply straight away. Setting up your own email account will allow you to communicate with people you know in ways you never thought possible. Now, the short definition of email is a type of mail to send and receive digital messages and content over the internet. Email is similar to writing letters and is a quick way to keeping in touch with other people. One email can be sent to more than one recipient at a time. As you can see in the diagram, this is the picture of snail mail by which we can send our messages by the postal service, and this is the email. We can send our messages digitally. Now open page number 128. We can differentiate between snail mail and email in the following ways. Properties: snail mail, email. The properties are content, address, time, delivery and cost. In the snail mail, contents may include packets with documents or packages with larger items. On the other side, email may include attachments for digital documents, files, images, video and more. In the snail mail, you have to give the proper address like Ali 320C, Ali Town, Lahore. But in the email, you have to make an email account like danimoin@live.com. In the snail mail, it takes 2 to 3 days for letters and 3 to 10 days for packages. But on the other side, in email, we can send our messages instantly or within a few minutes if servers are busy. Delivery time: in the snail mail, An envelope or package is delivered by a mail courier postman and received in a home mailbox or post office box. And in email is delivered electronically across the internet. In snail mail, you have to pay the price of stamps, but on the other side, email has no cost. It's free with internet connection. These are the main differences between snail mail and email. Now come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 1, what is traditional mail? Its answer is on page number 127. Few years ago, we used to receive and send letters, greeting cards and invitation by post. This type of mail is known as traditional or snail mail because it takes average 2 to 3 days to receive mail. Now the next question number 2, define email. Its answer is also on page number 127. Email is a type of mail to send and receive digital messages and content over the internet. Students, you have to learn these questions. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.